Bonjour, bande qu'on a biso la réflexion. Hello, happy people. Merci na ozara biso, merci na ba support na biso. Toza na ba jeune awa mais ba ngono subali koloba te. Ka moko andimi koloba, awa bandolo banglais na koye na ko na bandolo bango na lingala. Kozwa kaka moi idée na bango na le sens que ba jeune na topic oyo comme tel que conversation autour na mikolo ya copain, copine, en anglais, babaka girlfriend and boyfriend. Donc, girlfriend is a copine, and then boyfriend is a copain. Na tout na moi, baza ba jeune, ba parents ba ba yebi ki nazo solo na bango, et na yo kaka suki baloba nini. Malheureusement, bango nyoso ba ndimite baloba, na tout na ka moko. Hi there. Can I have a quick conversation with you? We are Reflection. Reflection is a YouTube channel by the name of Lumière Kambulu. We are live on Saturday, 7 p.m. UK time. And then we just come along with this topic about boyfriend and girlfriend. How much you know about boyfriend and girlfriend? What's that to you? What's that mean to you?
I think me as a boy, if I were to have a girlfriend, it would be like, it won't be as similar as having a wife because it's more serious. So I think it will be like, not too much, just like, just not too much.
Like, it would be like just a friend by your side.
Yeah.
Oh, alobi ye na mwa mobali ke azala na copine ezala te ke lokola mwasi lokola wife ezala te lokola mwasi na ndako ke abala ezala sérieux te mais ezala lokola fille moko ka pembeni na ye. So if you know yourself that it won't be a serious relationship, why being in the relationship? Why to have a girlfriend?
Because obviously at a young age you're not going to have a wife, so it's kind of like a young person's chance to just experience liking someone.
Alobi bien sûr na ba jeune okoza la na mwasi obalite na tant que vous êtes jeune, mais ezaka expérience moko boye ya ozala na mutu pembeni na yo ya ko oyo zolinga. So if you say that you want to experience, so do you think that it's good to have a girlfriend before you go to the marriage step, or for you to have before you can have wife?
Yeah, I don't think you have to really name it girlfriend, but there has to be some form of like talking stage, at least just to like feel the person, because obviously just because you like someone, you won't marry them, because you need to understand their personality.
Alobi ezate ke obenga epe moko copine, mais ozana mutu moko boye, soko oza mwasi ozana mobali, soko oza mobali ozana ya mwasi, ozana mwa camarade moko boya mwasi oyo ke yo zolingo yeba po okoyika kokoma te na relation sans ke yeba mutu. So that means that girlfriend and the boyfriend relationship is a good step before you move on to the marriage relationship.
Yeah.
Do you have a boyfriend? Do you have a girlfriend?
No.
Why are you quiet? Oh, anyway, no, you don't have to answer that. So, but do you have girls who approach you for you to be their boyfriend, or do you do the first move, or you just chill for the girl to come to you? Are you able to do the first move, like, oh girl, I like you?
Yeah, but it's not just like that. It's kind of, you start talking to them.
Oh, okay. But a bit about game, so is it by talking first, then the feeling will boost up? Okay, thank you very much. But your friend don't want to talk, yeah? Mais nalobi ne merci alobi e bandaka bongo te monika fille ou aborder fille. Il faut que solo là, beaucoup mon mesanande ou aborder. Can I ask your age? How old are you?
15.
Elle a 15 ans, mais elle a une girlfriend. Oh, we're done, yeah? Oh, thanks for your time, yeah? Thanks.